Oops. Alarm's going off. Oh shit.
And Ollie.
Oh, his tyre went off. His tyre. Let's help this guy. Yeah, this guy.
That's a yield, you stupid motherfucker!
Holy shit, brother.
I wouldn't say that.
Okay, go!
I would say...
Oh my god!
Normally he stops there! Go on, don't do it, don't do it, don't do it, don't do it, you idiot!
Look at this guy, look at this guy, look at this guy, look at this idiot.
Tell me,
Say again?
what's your problem? Tell me.
Wankers, yes.
Why?
Why? You come to our country, think you're all good. You can't drive, you block the roundabout off, that's how good your driving is. You drive with a hoodie, which is illegal, you're a total waste of space, mate. Total waste of space.
What's wrong with you, buddy? What?
There's people queuing up here to come in the fuel pumps.
Well,
which you can't be asked to follow the rules and
they
regulations.
complain to you because
Still talking, none of the nonsense, mate.
anything else?
Full of crap,
Anything else?
full of crap.
Anything
I'm
else?
finished.
Are you sure?
Fucking record me,
Yeah, I do.
fucking record me, you cunt. I'll fucking knock you out.
I record you, and I will.
Oh, come on, yeah, come on, man.
Come on, man.
You want something? You want something, mate? You fucking want something? You're gonna kick off right there. Come here. Come on, man. You finished? Finished? Because when I get you, I want to fuck you over, mate.
Ik ben banned from here, man.
Keep
It's recorded, man.
Keep coming.
I do.
Keep coming.
Leave my unit, and I will report you everywhere, man.
Yeah. Come here.
For what?
Step outside.
Leave me alone.
Step outside.
But why?
You want to fucking fight?
You want to fight, man?
Okay, Garmin, save video.
Oh no! Runaway tire! No! Damn, that is...
On camera!
Where's Ollie with the motherfucking...
É assim que o caminhão tomba na serra. Olha só. Aí, ó, tombou. Tombou. Entendeu?
¡Ay, Miguel! ¡Miguel! ¡Que no te hago el plan!
Hello, Mr.
Baby, back up. Stop, babe, do not get out this car. Do not get out this car. He is gonna leave.